Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Ravilash back, and today I am back with a new unboxing video, which is not any electronic item or any of the gadget. This is all about food, wherein I really wanted to try barbecue, but I have never got a chance. I never visited the restaurant, but my sister suggested me to order online, and they have some like combo meals box, I think. So I have one which is barbecue non-veg, and another one is barbecue biryani and kebab, which is chicken regular, which is mentioned in the bill. So barbecue in a box non-veg combo costed me 899 rupees, and biryani and kebab chicken regular, which costed me 629 rupees. I don't know which is the biryani and which is the non-veg loaded. So let's do the unboxing one by one. And guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. At the end, please watch the video completely and let me know your feedback and suggestion in the comment section, so it will help me in making a good video, and it will really help me in improving the video. So let's open the box and start the unboxing. Barbecue non-veg. So I'm gonna pick this first. Let's open this and see. Okay, so this is how this gonna look. Let me just take all out one by one. So this is gulab jamun. This is I think it's enough for chutney. You get tissue paper, and you get tissue paper and spoon and fork. Here comes a cake. I'm gonna add the list in description, and I'm gonna add the photo also. So you get this. I don't know whether it's a sweet or anything. I'm gonna taste everything one by one. You get a chutney again. So it's time to lift this, and you get 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth. Okay. And this is what you get with this huge box. And let me just check out all this. So I really like to taste all one by one. This is chicken. And let me see what's inside this. This is a raita. this is another dish. I think this is the mutton. So I actually don't know what are the other dishes, like excuse me. So I don't know the name of the dish because I'm trying everything for the first time. So let's check what's inside this. I have to just taste and tell. This is something dal, veg. Okay, this is dal makhni. Let me keep the dal makhni here, and you get chicken biryani. Okay, this is chicken biryani. Keep it over here. Let me open all the boxes first. Okay, you get this cutlet kind of thing. I don't know what is this actually called. Okay, veg fingers, 4 pieces, and veg shami kebab, 5 pieces. This is veg finger and veg shami kebab. I get here, I think this is prawn and chicken. Very, very delicious. I think this is the fish. Yeah, it's a chicken and fish. You get salad, veg salad, and I have few more boxes to open. See what is this. Okay, this is parota. Okay, I get 2 parota over here. Parota over here, and let's open this box. Oh wow, here comes the barbecue, which is chicken wings and chicken barbecue over here. Okay, let me give this over here. Okay, so let me keep veg the other side and non-veg other side, and okay, this is raita for biryani. Okay, let's see this chutney. This is something red chutney. Let me gonna taste this. No, it's sorry, it's a mayonnaise, not a chutney. Tandoori mayonnaise. See what is this. This is chutney kind of thing. They use it for, actually this is a combination of these two, and you get small gulab jamuns. It's nice. And this. This is a sweet. Okay, so this is what you actually get when you order this huge combo. And I've yet to taste the cake. It's actually a chocolate cake. So this is considered as veg. Okay. This is biryani, and biryani for raita. And this is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise and chutney is for this barbecue. So this and this. And these are sweets, and these are chicken curry, mutton curry, and barbecue chicken. Like this is chicken, this is chicken wings, and this is paratha, this is cake, and this is dal. Okay, so it's time to just check out what all we have got. Barbecue Nation buffet served for home. This is the buffet which you get. Okay, and Kalmi Murga Tikka. I think this is the Kalmi Murga Tikka, and tandoori chicken wings, 4 pieces, and barbecue fish, 5 pieces, and chili grilled per one something. I think this is the one, chili grilled, and veg finger 4. This is the one, and veg shami kebab. This is 5 pieces. And coming to the main course, you get butter chicken. This is the butter chicken, mutton ragoshi something, okay, and dal makhani, and chicken dum biryani, paratha 2 pieces, and 3 dessert. Okay, so which is 1, 2, and 3. And okay, sorry, I'm sorry. So this is anguri gulab jamun, 8 pieces, and moong dal halwa. This is the moong dal halwa, and what else you get? Moong dal halwa. You get salad. Okay, this is the veg salad you get, and you get 2 dips. Okay, these are the 2 dips which you get. Okay, so this is the complete set when you order for barbecue inbox non-veg. Okay, so this is the complete set. I think this is more than enough for like 2 persons. Actually 2 to 3 persons can have it easily.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಎತ್ತಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಇದೇನಿದು?
ಫಿಶ್
ಇದು
ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಸ್ವೀಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ.
So this is prawns. Really good. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
It's really actually good and completely barbecue. And this is the fish. Good. And here comes chicken.
ನೀವು ಮುಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಡೆ ಬೀಟದ ಮೇಲೆ
Here comes the chicken. This is actually very, very nice, delicious.
ಅವನು ತಿಂತಾಳ ತಿಂದಾಯ್ತಾ?
Hmm?
ಅವನು ತಿಂತಾಳ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ತಿಂದಾಯ್ತಾ?
Even the chicken, everything is really, really nice. So I have to try the chicken and the biryani. So I'm gonna try those things. Okay, we have paratha also over here. I actually missed on paratha. So we get 2 paratha.
ಹಾಫ್ ಪೀಸ್ ನೋಡ ಹಾಫ್
So my mom wants to have only half.
ನಾನು ತಿಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್.
So I'm gonna give her half. So I'm gonna even I'll have half and I'm gonna have this later. Okay. So veg beka non veg beka ba? So we have chicken butter this is butter chicken.
ವೆಜ್ ನಾನು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
Okay. And I'm gonna add this also. This is something add the chicken.
ಮಟನ್ ಅದು
Chicken mutton ada?
ಅದು ಮಟನ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿರೋದು ಮಟನ್.
Mutton
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಚಿಕನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮಟನ್.
No chicken. Taste ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮತ್ತು ಮಟನ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ.
No, chicken.
ಮಟನ್
Mutton okay. So this is mutton and we have dal over here. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ವರ್ಷದ ತಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ. So I just tried the veg. The dal is really, really nice. And let me try with butter chicken.
It's kind of a barbecued chicken and then added like butter or something like that. It's really nice. And let me taste the mutton now. Everything is awesome. I don't have to regret for anything because I can't have everything and then make a video. So I'm just having everything a little bit and I'm sharing my feedback. It's really nice. Superb. No regrets at all. So I'm gonna taste the biryani.
ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
This is chicken biryani, and you get a leg piece and extra masala over here. This is the extra masala beka. So you get chicken biryani and extra masala, and here comes the raita. Okay. Superb. I could get that same like Meghana special biryani when I have it, but this is completely different and it's really nice. Good. Biryani agida. Chennai. So I've tried everything. It's really nice, and it's actually no regrets. I repeat, no regrets for ordering food. But keeping the price and everything, yeah. So because when you go for a good hotel restaurant, if you just want to have biryani, it will cost you 400 to 500 rupees. But barbecue, getting all this in just like 800 and change, which is no regrets. It's really worth. So I'm gonna finish everything and I'm gonna come back for the review. So now I'm gonna off the camera so I can just finish my food.
So me and my mom, we just finished having a food, and like food was really good. It was like more than sufficient. It was like actually huge, I think. So it's a different experience when you directly go to a like barbecue and have it directly over there, and getting the parcel like how we bought, it's completely different. So I've showed you the box, like what all you get with this, and kind of this is actually what do you say, it's a pack which you get. Okay, this we added additionally, so this is different, and this was actually a pack which you get biryani, you get chicken, you get mutton, you get veg salad, you get veg finger, like too many options are there, like almost, which I have showed you in the video. So it was really nice. If you are not yet visited over there, my request is to just go try there and then place an order. However, my sister has visited and she suggested me, and it was really nice for me, even though I couldn't have immediately as it was like so, but I made a video and then I had, but the taste was really nice. So that's it. This was just a small unboxing video of this particular food, which is of Barbecue Nation, and hope you guys like this video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this, give me thumbs down, and please let me know your feedback and suggestion in the comment section. And if you're watching for the first time, click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. So that's it for now. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.